Is there an age limit to get hair transplantation? There's not a definitive age cutoff for whether somebody is a candidate for hair transplantation. It depends on what their needs are, what their current health status is, and what the future holds for them to attain their goals. At North Atlanta Hair Restoration, we focus on the patient and really the medical evaluation from myself as a physician, and also with my associate, Dr. Matt Goldstein. We have multiple tools to determine the source for the hair loss and come up with a game plan that works. We've worked on several patients that have been well in their 80s, that have been healthy and active, and want to have a younger look. So if you're interested in moving forward with hair transplantation and say you're in your 70s or 80s, give us a call, and we're happy to evaluate you to see if you're a candidate and make sure that there aren't potential risks that would create complications or side effects based on your age and health status.